Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. So right now I'm going to talk about a word, and the word is ask. It's a noun as well as a verb. The spelling of this word is A-S-K. A-S-K. Ask. Verb forms of this word are asks, asked, asking. Here are some sentences using this word. I wanted to ask him a question. I completely forgot to ask his name. Have you seen my pen? She asked. If you need any help, just ask. You are as good a friend as anyone could ever ask for. Mike really asks too much of Caroline. All the students were asked to complete a questionnaire. So right now I'm going to drill two sentences from here. I wanted to ask him a question. 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 আমি তাকে একটি প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞাসা করতে চেয়েছিলাম। I completely forgot to ask his name. 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 আমি তার নাম জিজ্ঞেস করতে পুরোপুরি ভুলে গিয়েছিলাম। Thank you very much.